Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Again, good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Louder. Good morning, class.
Good morning, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. Before we sit, may I call Clarissa May to lead the prayer?
Okay, let's bow our head. Panginoon, maraming salamat po sa araw na ito. Bigyan mo kami ng katulungan sa aming pag-aaral. Maraming salamat po sa pangalan ni Jesus. Amen.
Amen. Bago tayo maupo, tingnan natin ang ating paligid. Kung mayroon kita tayong kalat, pulutin, at mamaya paglaba, tapo. Okay, please be seated. So, pakibasa nga ang ating nasa pisara.
Mabuhay ang may buhay.
Mabuhay ang may buhay. Okay. Before we start our lesson, I have a classroom rules. Pakibasa nga.
Be kind. Listen to your teacher. Participate all activities. Show respect to everyone. Clean your surroundings. Don't cheat. No bullying.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay, bago tayo magsimula sa lesson, meron tayong simple activity. Pakibasa nga kung anong title.
Henyo ay kayo.
Henyo ay kayo. Sana masagutan niyo ito. Okay, number 1.
I'm the protector of the plant cell. Who am I? Cell wall, sir.
Very good, Mr. Hadley. Cell wall. The second one.
I make food for the plant cell. Who am I? Sir,
Any?
mitochondria, sir.
Any else? It gives a photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. Oxygen.
Chloroplast. Next.
I control everything inside the cell. Who am I?
Siya daw ay nasa kanya daw lahat ng cell. Ano daw siya?
Nucleus, sir. Cell membrane.
Nucleus?
Yes.
That's right. It is nucleus. Next.
Mitochondria. I am the power field.
Mitochondria. So, ano yung naiisip nyo dun sa ating activity? Can you have idea about our lesson?
Sir?
Adi.
Sir, I think our lesson for today is about cell.
Okay, anyone? Very good. Yes.
Ilalagay ko po siya ng plant and animals.
So, the two parts or the two kinds of
Cell.
cell. Very good. Next, anyone? No one? Okay. Our topic is all about cell. What is cell? Please read. Kenneron.
Cell. A cell can refer to a basic unit of life, a compartment in a spreadsheet or a model of imprisonment. In biology, a cell is the smallest structure and functional unit of an organism composed of a membrane-bound compartment containing cytoplasm, genetic material, and various organelles. Other meanings include a single rectangular area in a spreadsheet or a small room used for confinement.
Okay. Cell is the basic unit of life. Miss Clarissa, sa tingin mo, bakit napakahalaga ng cell?
Because everything in this universe is made up of cells. From humans to animals to plants.
Sir? I want to add an answer, sir. Cell is important because we are made up of cell. So everything in this world is made up of cell. It means we couldn't exist if cells never exist on ourselves.
O bakit naman ito sinasabing the basic unit of life? Kenneron.
Sir, I think it's called basic unit of life because it is the smallest things that is alive or nag-move po yung mga different atoms na lang.
Wala na?
Sir?
Yes?
Sir, I think they call it a basic unit of life because this is served as a foundation of life, which means we exist because of this build up of those cells in our body, or this is the cell that why we are made up.
Mahusay, grade 7. Tinawag itong the basic unit of life dahil dito sa cell nagsisimula ang buhay. That's the one point. No? Sa cell pa lang meron ng buhay na yung cell na bubuhay na cell na nagsama-sama like us sa ating katawan, napakaraming cell. No, sa puno, sa hayop, at sa iba't iba pang different organism. Okay, next. Sino makapagbigay sa akin kung anong mga uri ng cell ang alam nyo?
Sir, yung animal cell and plant cell.
The animal cell and plant cell. So, may nakikita ba kayong pagkakaiba? May differences ba yung dalawa?
Yes, sir.
Hanapin, Calvin? May nakikita ka bang pagkakaiba nila? Ano napapansin mo?
Sir, ang pagkakaiba po nila is yung type of organism.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Anyone? Yes, Valikaria.
Sir, ang pagkakaiba po ng animal cell and plant cell is specifically the chloroplast. Kasi po, ang chloroplast is makikita lang po sa plant cell which is it is used or the role of chloroplast is to make foods using sunlight or what we call the photosynthesis. While animal cells don't need chloroplast for the photosynthesis.
Yes, Clarissa, you're raising your imaginary hand. May nakikita ba ang pagkakaiba?
That's also the
Yes, Sanji.
I want to add some one, sir. We also have the difference between plant cell and animal cell, which is the cell wall. In animal cell doesn't have a cell wall, while plant cell has a cell wall to protect its leaves. Especially, it has the stomata, which is the source of the foundation of its eyes, which has the process in photosynthesis to get its food.
Exactly. Very good, Hadi. Yes, Dave Patrick.
Sir, what I observed is, mas malaki, in terms of length, mas malaki po yung plant cell rather than the animal cell. And also sa shape po nila. Yung animal cell po natin is irregular po yung kanya shape, while the plant cell is rectangular or in cubic shape.
Well done. Palampakan natin ang ating mga sarili grade 7. Mahusay, di ba? Napapansin natin, umpisa pa lang, they have a different shape and colors. Hindi lang yun, mas malaki yung plant cells kaysa sa animal cells. Tama rin yung sinabi niyo na ang plant cell ay merong cell wall and chloroplast. Samantalang sa animal cell ay wala. Okay, para mas malalo nating malaman, I have here a guide sa inyo para makita kung ano yung mga pagkakaiba nila, pagkakapareho, at kung ano-ano yung mga parte ng plant and animal cell. Please distribute, Mr. Dave. Okay. Pakibasa nga yung umpisa, Kenny Roy.
So the first is the nucleus. Nucleus control center of the cell that contains genetic material or the DNA or the oxyribonucleic acid and regulates cell activities.
Sa nucleus. Sino makakapagturo sa akin kung nasaan ang nucleus?
Sir,
Yes, Adi.
Sir, this is the nucleus or the eye of the cell.
Very good. Nakikita natin ang nucleus sa pinakagitna ng cell. So next, pakibasa, Dave.
Cytoplasm. Cytoplasm gel-like substance that fills the cell and moves organelles, site for many chemical reactions.
It is a gel-like substance. So, ito yun, yung cytoplasm. Ito yung gel-like substance na makikita natin sa plant and animal cell. Siya yung nagbibigay ng liquid dun sa cell para magkaroon sila ng tinatawag na lang paggalaw dun sa mga cell para mas mabilis yung kanilang process. Next, Hadi.
Cell membrane or plasma membrane, semi-permeable barrier or membranes that surrounds the cell, controlling what enters and leaves the cell.
So, ano yung pagkakaintindi mo sa cell membrane?
Sir, it means cell membrane or plasma membrane is the one who filters who enter the cell, sir. It means it rejects those who are necessary to our cell, especially those sample bacteria.
Okay, very good. Exactly. Ang cell membrane ay, eto yung barriers na promoprotekta sa ating cells. Kapag mayroong mga toxins, inaalis niya to ay hindi niya pinapapasok dun sa ating cell. Ang kinukuha lang niya yung mga makakabuti dun sa cell natin, which is the vitamins, the nutrients. Next, Caniron.
Mitochondria. It is a powerhouse of the cell, produces energy or ATP through cellular respiration.
Okay, thank you. So, ang mitochondria naman, ito yung powerhouse of the cell. Siya yung nagpo-produce ng energy dun sa cell. Nagigets ba?
Yes, sir.
Malinaw?
Yes, sir.
Kasing ba ba ang grade 7?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rotugal, please read.
Okay, next po is yung rough endoplasmic reticulum. Network of membranes with ribosomes attached, synthesize, and transport proteins.
So, rough endoplasmic reticulum. So, eto yun, yung endoplasmic reticulum, yung rough. Bakit kaya siya rough? Bakit kaya rough yung rough endoplasmic reticulum siya? Ano yung nakalagay doon sa endoplasmic reticulum na yun? Meron siyang tinatawag nating ribosomes. Kaya rough. Next, the smooth.
Smooth endoplasmic reticulum, network of membranes without ribosomes, synthesizes lipids, detoxifies chemicals, and stores ions.
Siya naman yung nagde-detoxify ng mga chemicals at nag-aano ng mga ions. So, kaya siya naging smooth endoplasmic reticulum, walang nakalagay sa kanyang mga ribosomes. Next, Calvin.
Ribosome, shiny organelles that produce proteins can be freely cytoplasmic or attached to
Ito yung ribosome, yung mga na-attach sa rough endoplasmic reticulum. Sa tingin mo, ano yung ginagampanan ng ribosome? Calvin.
nagpo-produce po ng proteins.
Yes. Ribosomes produce proteins. Next. Dave.
Golgi apparatus or Golgi body modifies, packages, and transports protein and lipid produced by the ER, prepares material for export.
Ano yung, sa palagay mo, ano yung Golgi apparatus?
Tapos nagsiset sa
Siya yung nagsaset ng
proteins and lipids.
proteins and lipids. Next. Pakibasa na yung dalawa. Balikarya.
Cytoskeleton, network of fibers that gives the cell shape, support, and helps in movement of organelles and vacuoles is small in animal cell. It stores water, nutrients, and waste products. Small in animal cells, large in plant cells.
Okay, cytoskeleton. Nakikita niyo ba kung alin dito yung cytoskeleton? Dave, maaari mo bang ituro kung nasa ng cytoskeleton?
So here,
That is cell membrane, and this is cell wall. Ay, ito ang cytosol.
Where, sir?
Here.
Okay po.
Yung parang mga tubo.
Yes, sir.
Sila yung nagbibigay ng shape dun sa ating cell. Okay? Okay. Nakita natin, yung mga binanggit natin kanina ay yung mga or may similarities yung dalawa. Yun yung mga part and organelles na may similarities, ang plant cell and animal cell. Well, these two types of cell has a differences. Pakibasa nga, Velicaria, dun sa plant cell.
Organelles or part cells. Cell wall, rigid outer layer made of cellulose, provides structure, support, and protection. Chloroplast contains chlorophyll, site of photosynthesis where sunlight is converted into chemical energy. Large cellular vacuoles store water, nutrients, and waste. Maintains turbo pressure to keep the plant upright. And plasmodesmata, channels that allows transport and communication between plant cells.
Okay. So makikita natin yung cell wall sa labas. Siya yung pumaprotekta at nagbibigay ng shape dun sa ating plant cell. Makikita lamang siya sa plant cell. Then, ang ating chloroplast ang nagbibigay ng nag-absorb ng energy
From the sun.
from the sun. Ang tinatawag natin ito, photosynthesis. Dun sa ating animal cell naman, Kelvin,
Parts found only within animal cell. Organelle cell particles. Centrioles.
centrioles,
Cylindrical structures that play a role in cell division, mitosis, memory, meiosis. Lysosomes contains digestive enzymes to break down waste bacteria and work out of cell parts. Small and vacuoles store foods, waste, and other materials smaller than plastic balls. Sir, ano pong tawag ng pabigas po sa small vacuoles?
small vacuoles. Okay. Ito yung ating tinatawag na centrioles. Ito siya. Ang nagbibigay ng division, cell division dun sa ating animal cell. Do I are laughing, Mr. Hadley?
None, sir.
None? Okay. Let's proceed to our topic. Nagigets na ba?
Yes, sir.
Nakita ba kung ano yung meron sa plant cell na wala sa animal cell? At
Yes,
meron
sir.
sa animal cell na wala sa plant cell?
Yes.
At ano yung mga organelles and parts na magkakapareho sila? Okay. Para malaman natin at masukat natin ang ating mga natutunan, magkakaroon tayo ng evaluation. Okay. Part 1 ng ating evaluation. Pakibasa.
Where do I belong?
Where do I belong? Saan nga ba ako nabibilang? So, gagawa kayo ng Venn diagram na kung saan ilalagay nyo doon kung saan siya kabilang na part. For example, ang nucleus, saan siya dapat ilagay? Sa plant cells, sa animal cells, or dun sa pinakagitna ng Venn diagram. Okay? Ilalagay niyo yung pagkakaiba sa magkabilang side and yung pagkakapareho nila sa gitna. Nagagets ba?
Yes, sir.
Kung nagagets, let's proceed. In bond paper. Sa likod ng binigay kong papel. Okay, tapusin niyo ito sa loob lamang ng 3 minuto. Class, ganda ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, Mr. Hadi, pakibasa nga kung anong mga part yung mga nakalagay mo dyan.
So sir, sa parts po kung saan parehas po or dun sa middle where both plants and animals pass. So both parts have a nucleus, cytoplasm, cell membrane, mitochondria, rough endoplasmic reticulum, smooth endoplasmic reticulum, ribosomes, Golgi apparatus, cytoskeleton, and vacuoles. While those parts naman po na matatagpuan lang natin sa plant cells, we have organelle, we have cell wall, sorry. Chloroplast, large central vacuole, plasmodesmata, and those parts naman po na makikita natin sa animal cells.
May nakakatawa? Share mo naman sa classmate mo.
Centrioles, lysosomes, and smooth vacuoles.
Very good. Pareho ba kayo ng sagot?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga sarili. Okay naman, may part 2 yan. Make me. You will construct a 3D model of a plant and animal cell. Pipili lang kayo kung plant and animal cells. Using clay, Play-Doh, or other materials. Make sure na malilabel nyo lahat ng major parts. Pero bago yun, gagamitin natin ito. Yung palupa. May ganun ng 10 minutes. Done na ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay, done. Okay, bago tayo dumako sa ating assignment, meron itong huling katanungan para sa inyo. Pakibasa nga, Calvin.
Why are cells important in sustaining life? Can anyone share?
O, can anyone share? Sino mga pagbigay? Hadi?
Sir, because cells are important in sustaining life, sir, because sustaining cells means also sustaining our lives. It means if we continue to protect those cells that we have, we are also protecting our bones.
O, di ba? Pinapakita ng question na, can anyone share? At nakita natin na may natutunan tayo. Sapagkat tumayo si Hadi na alam niya yung isasagot. He know, he can. No one? Caniron.
Sir, I think cells is important in sustaining life because it is the basic unit. Basic unit of life.
Okay, very good. Palakpakan natin ang ating mga salita. Dahil dyan, ito lang naman ang ating assignment. For your homework, write a paragraph explaining why are both plant and animal cells essential to life on Earth. May katanungan pa?
None, sir.
Violent reaction?
None, sir.
May naintindihan?
Yes, sir.
Palakpakan natin ang ating mga salita. Okay, tapos na tayo. Okay, pakibasa.
Not all goodbyes are sad. For example, goodbye class.
Goodbye, class.
Goodbye.